Welcome to Black Shaw's Mitsubishi Morpeth. My name is Max and I'll be showing you around this Mitsubishi Mirage Juro. It is a 1.2 litre petrol engine and it does have 79 brake horsepower. This car still has warranty up until 2022 as it was first registered in 2017, and all new Mitsubishi cars come with 5-year warranty. Firstly, I'd like to show you the 16-inch alloy wheels with that chrome and black colour. Gives it that really sporty look about it. It also has a chrome pack on this Juro. As you can see, it's got the chrome wing mirrors. We'll just take you back around the front. It's got the chrome trim around the grille as well. And just below that is the chrome trim again. It does have a sporty spoiler on the back, and you do have the antenna as well. Moving round again, you've got the chrome trim again on the boot. This car is keyless entry as well, so you don't have to have your keys in hand, it can just be in your pocket. Moving into the car, firstly, you do have the front and rear electric windows. Here is the steering wheel, which is leather with a gloss black template at the bottom. It gives it a really nice look. On the right, you do have the cruise control, and just to the left, you do have your hands-free kit. Now I'd like to show you some factory fitted extras that do not come normally with the car. First of all, you've got your navigation. So you can enter anywhere you like and take you there. If you just press home, it goes back to that. You can also connect your iPod or your phone. You've also got the DAB radio and any apps that you have on your phone. Another factory fitted extra is the dash cam, which will bring insurance considerably down. Just below that, you've got the dual zone climate control, and then you've got your heated seats, driver and passenger. You also have a USB socket if you'd like to charge your phone or anything like that. The seats are fully cloth and they've got a nice pattern. Moving on to the back. As you can see, the cloth runs throughout the back pattern as well. You've got ISOFIX parts at the back as well, so you can put your child seat in there as well. There is quite a bit of room for the back passengers, and they also do have an electric window as well. I'll show you the boot. It's a decent sized boot for the size of the car. You can definitely fit your day-to-day items in here. And the seats do fold 60/40 as well, so if you would like a bit more room, you can do so. The road tax for this car is £140 for the year. And I think that's about it for this tour of our Mirage Juro. If you've got any questions that I haven't covered in this video, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01670 719 519, or simply email us at morpeth.sales @blackshaws.com, or if you would like, just head simply down to the dealership. I've been Max and thank you very much for watching.